Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So today I have an unboxing for you guys to show you. So this is in relation to a Dell monitor which I've purchased. So this is the 34-inch Dell ultra sharp curved USB-C monitor, and it's quite a hefty box. Just show you guys that you can see that the size of the box, I mean, on camera it seems to be quite small, but in reality it's pretty big. So it weighs roughly like 15 to 20 kilograms. So I'm just going to start opening it and just going to show you how the monitor looks like. It's a 34-inch curved monitor from Dell, and I needed it for my day-to-day work. So on the front it shows you the picture of the monitor, Dell logo on the left. On the side it gives you some information, some manufacturing information. So on the back it tells you what ports are there. It does give you instructions how to open it. You can't open it while keeping it straight, so you need to keep it down, otherwise the monitor can topple over. So first of all, we have a HDMI cable, a display port, USB-C to USB-C cable. Here we have the color calibration. We have a quick start guide, safety, regulatory information, and that is the lower panel, I'm guessing. The monitor is quite big, so it needs to be used so that it can hold it. This is the back plate of the monitor. It shows over here it's imprinted Dell, and the monitor itself. Fold it from here and then put these hinges first in the top bit, and that should give you an assuring sort of click. There's a button over here and the base can be screwed on. So that is the monitor. It says 3440 by 1440. I'm going to set it on my desk and show you guys. So guys, as you can see, I've set it up on my desk, and this is how it's going to look. I mean, I am shooting this video from a bit of a distance, and of course it's a very big monitor. I have a lamp at the back, and I'm just going to tidy up my desk and then I make another video to show you guys how it actually looks. So this was the unboxing for the Dell monitor, the curved monitor, which is the 3419 series, which is USB powered. Questions welcome. Let me know in the comments if you're planning to buy one, and as I said, I'll turn it on and I'll show you guys what the performance is and so on, and then give your opinions. All right guys, catch you in the next video, and bye for now.